Welcome everyone to CivicCAD Learning Solutions Help video. In this video, I'll go over the multi-profile app and setting up the presets. So I have a typical subdivision project here. This is my utility base drawing. I'm going to activate the command for multi-profiles, and then I'll click the settings button at the bottom. So what this is going to do is actually do presets. So if it sees an alignment, it's going to use this particular profile style and labels and label sets. If it sees a particular surface in the profile, it'll use this particular surface style, and that's what we're going to go through this process here. So I'm going to hit the plus symbol to start. It's looking at alignments. Now my alignments are called SS, SD, WL for water. So I'm going to type in SD and then dash asterisk. The asterisk is a wildcard saying that if it's SD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's just going to ignore that. It's just looking for that SD. All right, and I'm going to set my storm profile, my standard one, and I also have a reverse. So I'm going to do 40 and right. So what it's actually going to do is if the alignment is starting from the right, like from the east, and going to the west, it'll create a reverse profile. And that's what I'm doing here. And I'll do another one, and we'll do sewer. That's asterisk. I'll do sewer. And it says 40. Right, and we'll do water, and if I remember right, I think it was WL for my water, and look for my water and set my water here. There we go. So we got storm, water, sewer. Okay, and I'll go to surface profiles. Now look at my surfaces, and mine are called after job number dash EG or PG, so it's going to be asterisk dash EG, and I want to use the EG. I don't have a profile set, so I'll use standard. That doesn't have any labels. If this was an alignment, like a design profile, and have a left and right offset, you can assign a style. So I'm going to say standard here. I don't have a left and right for now. Get another one, and this will be asterisk dash PG. There we go, and there's no label styles, and I'll set that to standard. It has no labels, and we'll go to the next one. Now this one is if you already had an existing surface in your drawing, you can override some of those styles and settings in there. So I don't have an existing profile in here. Pipe networks, I call these like SSD1, so SS asterisk, and I do want to override the crossing pipe, so I'm going to say SD PR crossing. And then we'll do storm SD dash asterisk because I'm calling my storm network 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Water WL dash asterisk, and then let's go ahead and get this. Oh, let me fix this. It's supposed to be sewer crossing, storm crossing, and then water crossing. Okay. All right. So we have that set. I'm now going to apply it to my drawing. Maybe just go back and check real quick. There's my surfaces, there's my alignments. So everything is set to right, WL, and apply and close. Okay, so what it's going to do now is look through all the alignments I have in the drawing. Okay, I'm just going to do a few of these. I won't do all of them, so I'll just put them in order. Okay, and let's see here. Let's just double click in here. And let's do water 1 and 2. We'll do sewer 1 and 2. And then we'll do storm drain 1. And storm drain, where's 2? There's all these are laterals here. There's 2. Okay. All right. So we have water, sewer, and storm, the two main lines there. So, all right, we'll go to surface profile. And we'll look at our surface names, and it's looking at our names, so it already assigned the profile style based on the presets. Notice here it's already assigned. If I did have some label sets, I have those presets already created also. Okay, so I'll go to profile views now, and it also had these presets, so it does recognize that some of the alignments are actually going from right to left, left to right, and switching the profiles here from left to right, right to left, as you can see here. Now, I also want to set up and have a buffer at the end and the beginning of a profile. I don't start my profile at 0 because you could have a structure there, then you don't have enough room for a label. So I'm going to have a preset of at the beginning, say -25 and 25 at the end. So it's going to round this to the closest 25, this ending station value, and it doesn't. And it's also going to create a second profile if it's longer than 1,000 foot. Okay, so I got starting station -25, and then we got 0. I'm going to hit apply. So when I applied this, notice here it rounded everything up. Okay, so it actually created a second one here. This one was actually longer than 1,000 foot. There's 2 or 3 of these that were longer than 1,000 foot, so it actually created a second profile and continued with the profiles here. If you did have band sets, you can apply band sets in here on this list, pull down here. So now I can go to band sets if I was applying band sets. I don't have any existing profiles. Now the pipe networks, I am using W1 and Sewer 1, ST2. I think those are the ones, water, sewer, yep, and that's it. And it's looking at the overrides presets already. And I'm going to uncheck that one. So we should just have, let me just to make sure, we're going to do SS1, S2, S2, good. Now we're going to create our profiles. And there we go. After about 10 seconds, it created our profiles. This profile style is actually a little different, but notice here I got my sewer, I got my storm, I got all my profiles created, my pipes are in there now, so everything's preset. Now I can actually come and use the profile label app and start labeling everything at one time. So just want to show you how to use the presets, get it set up so you don't actually have to go through this and select these check boxes while you go through in here one by one. So quick way how to do the presets, and it's saving it to, if I go to my settings, this is where it's saving. It's a little text file. You can access it, go in here and then override and create your own in there. So, and thank you for watching, and be sure to email us if you have any questions. Have a great day.